Hello, come in, breaker. Alright, buddy, here's where we're at. 16 pill. First thing off, this right here, no way, that's not going to cut it, okay? So I want you to do away with that. I made you some good ground wires. Same length and everything, hooking to whatever, should hook to whatever you're hooking that to. Ground's just as important as hot, if not more. These right here just way inefficient. Took all your combiner resistors out and put regular resistors in there. Changed 2 pills and a 10 ohm. Changed 2 or 3 capacitors and tuning and did some upgrades to this box for you. That's pretty much it. Thought I was going to put all the pills in when you showed me the combiners, but it wasn't that bad. Wasn't near as bad as I thought it would be, so I saved you some money. And I beat on it pretty good, trying to make sure it's going to hold up. We'll start out looking at straight through SWR like we do. Worldwide, almost nothing. Turn it on. Input SWR. Radio drive, worldwide, barely any. Here's what we're doing, radio drive out of the box. Worldwide, 480. Gonna kick on the little 2-pill driver right here. Alright. We're just gonna get down to brass tacks, look at the 5,000 watt slug. Middle scale, 10s, 1,000, 20s, 2,000, so forth. Worldwide. It's on 3,400 on the bird. A 2-pill driver, which is great. On the LP. Worldwide, 3,500, worldwide, 1,1300 average. 1, 2, worldwide with 34. Hello, audio, worldwide. But, she's all up and ready to go. Get on down. Hello, 1, 2, 3, worldwide. Working my little 16-pill donkey stomper. Get on down. 1, 2, 3, worldwide. Hello, audio, worldwide. But, she's all good to go there. Got her up and going for you, man. Hope y'all works out for you. Appreciate the business. We'll get her all packed up and get you took care of. Thanks for watching your friend 1008 Booze. Catch you later.